Hello and welcome to Cambridge Car Audio. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. Today's video is focusing on this absolutely stunning Land Rover Defender 110 and the double din conversion that we've upgraded this particular vehicle with. If you're new to our channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. What that'll do is keep you up to date with all of our latest videos of installations that we're carrying out day in and day out. So, in terms of this particular system, this has actually been a little bit of a nice project between the customer and ourselves. So we've supplied a couple of bits of products such as the soundproofing. He's carried out those bits of installation separately, and then we've also worked together and gone through and we've actually carried out the installation of the double din radio conversion as well as an integrated reversing camera, which we'll go through in a second. So the main thing with this system is this is why our systems work when we're working in partnership with customers, but also if we're just doing the install ourselves, that we book an audio consultation with you. So if you head over to our website, which is cambridgecar.audio, you go under expert systems, you'll see Defender. We've got a couple of example audio systems listed there, but also the double din conversion system, as well as some soundproofing. So if you head over to that website, you'll see there, if you scroll all the way down, you'll see book an audio consultation form. Fill those bits of details in that we're requesting on there. What that means is it's basically a scheduled appointment with one of our members of staff here at Cambridge Car Audio at our premises. We'll sit down, we'll guide you through exactly step by step how the install takes place, how you guys can book in with us, as well as the fact exactly where you want products placed, what products you want in the vehicle and how you want it installed. So we'll go through all of that with you during a consultation. We go through that in great detail with one of our experienced members of staff here at Cambridge Car Audio. So that's a bit of an overview of how this customer booked in with us, but what we've done is, in terms of the double din radio conversion, is relocated the switch panel. We've also added in heated seats using the factory button, which is really cool as well. And that's basically all really nice, flushed into the dashboard using our kit that we use. So that's all done to the highest possible installation standards, and what this customer's gone for is an Alpine head unit. However, this is accessible and we can change this over to any radio that you're after. So if you want built-in navigation, wireless CarPlay, Apple CarPlay, or Android Auto, we can go through all of that during a consultation with you. One of the key things with a lot of these Defenders, especially for this customer, was visibility was quite poor. So what we've done is upgraded this vehicle with a ProFit camera, which is on this particular occasion has been mounted on top of the spare wheel, so you can see overview and look back. However, we can customize this, we can put this wherever you feel you want it, and that's all decided in the consultation. So we go through everything in great detail, so it's exactly what you want and you get exactly what you're after. So overall, a really stunning transformation of this interior that we've done in terms of this double din dash conversion. We can do loads of other bits and pieces to Defenders, so feel free to get in touch with us, including lighting upgrades, tow bars, as well as we do quite a lot of audio systems on these Defenders as well as soundproofing. So feel free to get in touch with us. We're based in Cambridge. All our work gets carried out from our workshop facilities in Cambridge, from a controlled workshop environment. So hopefully you found this video useful, guys. So if you are new to our channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. It'll keep you up to date with all our latest videos, not just on Defenders, but some other vehicles as well. So thank you very much. We look forward to upgrading your Defender soon. Thank you.